In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Dragon Goddess here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The main way for you to get the Dragon Goddess here in Sailor Piece is by farming the Sea Beast in C2. This is a very tedious process. So make your way over to C2. Once you are at C2, what you need to do is farm the Kraken and Sea Serpent. To get these guys to spawn, you have to go into the open ocean and just wait. It's a very long process. It takes about 30 minutes. They spawn in every 30 minutes server time. So just keep waiting for the sea beast to spawn in. Just keep in mind you're going to need at least a $500,000 bounty, and you should stay as far away from islands to actually trigger those spawns. Just keep farming the Kraken and Sea Serpent until the weapon does drop. The rates are extremely low, so expect to grind. There is also another option. You can just get it from the in-game shop as well. If you scroll down, you can get it whether it is the purchase together, or of course you can also just go ahead and get it individually down here. That is the entire process though. Either farm the sea beast in C2 or buy it from the shop to get that Dragon Goddess. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.